Hello everyone, this is Ritu Kantawala, your tarot card reader, numerologist and Vastu consultant. Today I'm going to deal with a very important issue that we all are facing. Post-COVID, post-pandemic and due to the lockdown, we all are facing a lot of mental tension, stress, depression, anxiety, how to deal with all these issues. So I would be doing a kind of a reading for you as well as giving you tips as to how to deal with these issues. To begin with, on a physical level, my tip would be whenever you are faced with too much negativity, that is news that we hear about our near and dear ones, what you need to do is when you come from outside, you need to take a bath in sea salt water. What sea salt does is it washes away a lot of negativity. So by doing this, you will feel rejuvenated and you will feel energized. Also, you need to step up your immunity on the physical level. As far as this is concerned, all you need to do is go to your kitchen. You have your turmeric, that is haldi, which is very, very good, very beneficial. You can have it in warm water. There is tulsi, which again will really help to boost your immunity. Also ginger, garlic, honey. These are things which you should take on a daily basis, which will really help. Also practice some deep breathing. Get the right techniques for breathing. Whenever you feel anxious, stressed out, what you need to do is take a few deep breaths, focus on your breath, and this will really help you to calm you down. Then on the mental level, I would suggest chant daily. Chant whichever chant you resonate with. Try and meditate even if it is for 10 minutes a day. This will really help you and you will see that you will feel a sense of calmness. Furthermore, what you can do is develop an attitude of patience and tolerance towards others, towards the situation. This will make you also a little more positive. Focus on being more tolerant towards your near and dear ones. Also do activities and things that you really enjoy, whether it is music, dancing, cooking, playing an instrument. It could be anything that makes you happy. Once you engage in these activities, the feel-good factor will definitely strengthen your aura, and this will help you to become less susceptible for catching any kind of infections. So use your time wisely, engage in activities that make you happy. On an emotional level, be a giver. As far as possible, help somebody. What you can do is help the needy or help maybe a neighbor, a senior citizen, anyone who's in need. The time that you go out and do some good, definitely it gives you a feel-good factor. So be a giver during this period also and otherwise also. Finally, the spiritual levels. As far as spiritual levels are concerned, my tips would be how can you enhance this? Basically, what you need to do is light green candles. Green candles help in healing. Healing of your near and dear ones as well as for people all around the world. Put it in your prayers, give it out into the universe. This will definitely help them and also help you. Also ask for protection. Now this can be done with visualizing you and your family in a pyramid. So whenever you can, just close your eyes, think of yourself in a pyramid, see that your family and you are protected and nothing can come through the pyramid. When you visualize this, you are giving your family protection. Cover yourself with white light whenever you leave the house, when you have to go to get some essentials. See that you cover yourself with white light, visualize it. This again gives you protection. So these are few tips how you can deal with what we all are going through on all levels. Hope to come back with more. Stay tuned. Thank you.